Hi everyone, this is Mandie from Gel Essentials and this is my creation for today. So I'm sure you won't be surprised to learn I'm using acryl gel. First thing I'm doing is putting our bright white, and then I'm going to apply our pink shimmer. And then I'm just using our double-ended dotting tool to just swirl it round, mix them together. Don't mix them too much because you want a marbling effect. And then just use your brush to pat it into place. As I always say with acryl gel, the bonus of this is that you are not restricted to time, so you can take as long as you want to play with the product, to get it into place, to get it as perfect as you can do to reduce your filing, and it won't go anywhere, it won't run or slump. And the reason that I choose acryl gel whenever I'm doing something like this that involves extending a nail bed and 3D is because you can get a really sharp edge. For the 3D work, that's really important. Because it's quite solid, you can butt your brush up to the end of it and create a pretty solid edge. And then once you've cured it, which needs curing for 90 seconds, just take your file and refine your smile line. And then I'm using Serenity, which is one of our coloured hard gels. And it's really important to make sure that that gel goes all the way up that wall that you've created with your file, because that's what's going to give you your 3D effect. And then that can go in the lamp for 90 seconds. Then we're going to be using our clear. Now our clear acryl gel is crystal clear. I know there are a lot of clears out there and some are called natural, I think. Not always completely clear, but this is completely crystal clear, which is one of the things I love about it. So you just apply that over where you've put your Serenity. And then use your brush to create your smile line. And then after curing, just use your file to refine your smile line again. And then next we're going to be going in with a new colour, which is French white. And that'll be with us within the next week or so. And again, that's one of our coloured hard gels. And we're doing the same thing, making sure that you completely cover the wall that you've created. And again, pop that in the lamp for 90 seconds. This is a new gel called Mystery. Again, that'll be here in about a week or so. And it's got these gorgeous iridescent sort of holographic glitter particles in, which just look absolutely beautiful. And again, that wants curing before you put your next layer of clear on. And you're just following exactly the same process. Apply your clear, and make sure you create that wall. And then cure for 90 seconds. And use your file to refine your smile line. and then repeat the same process again. This is our metallic rose, again one of our coloured hard gels, and again we're going all the way up that wall to make sure you create your 3D effect. Don't worry about going over the top of the previous bit because you're going to file it anyway. Cure for 90 seconds, and then you need your final layer of clear, and then cure for 90 seconds in your lamp. And then just do your normal filing routine, and that will reveal the 3D effect underneath. And then apply your top coat, and again cure for 90 seconds. And that's the completed nail. Obviously I had to add some gemstones to it, and I used clear acryl gel underneath just to keep those gems secure. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget, all of our products are available on our website, and we can now ship worldwide. Give us your comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.